Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the mint glob recipe grounded. First, you'll want to head to the upper yard. The recipe is typically found within a specific container, often a small chest or a similar interactable object. Be prepared for some combat, as the area around the recipe is usually guarded by several challenging creatures. Successfully defeating them will grant you access to this valuable crafting blueprint. Before venturing out, ensure you're well equipped. A strong weapon like a Tier 3 axe is highly recommended for dealing with the local fauna. Don't forget to wear your best armor, aiming for at least a medium defense rating to withstand attacks. Stock up on healing items such as smoothies or bandages to keep your health up during engagements. Preparation is key to a successful retrieval. To pinpoint the recipe, navigate towards the picnic table area in the upper yard. From there, you'll need to locate a specific container, often found near the sandbox. This is where the mint glob recipe is usually hidden. Be extremely cautious, as this zone is home to several aggressive insects that will attack on sight. Stay alert and be ready to defend yourself. Once you've successfully acquired the mint glob recipe, head back to any crafting station. You'll then need to gather the required ingredients, primarily mint shards, to begin crafting. This powerful item will significantly aid your adventures. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.